Hi, I'm Angela, and this is Miss Samples, and she is going to talk about my secondary lesson with Virginia.
Okay, Ms. McKinnon, today we watched your lessons with Virginia, and in lesson 1 we saw some great strengths. As you met Virginia, you realized very quickly that she was below the level that you were anticipating, and so you quickly determined that the student needed to learn basic skills and you had to adjust the lesson to meet the student's needs. And so working with our special population of students, that's very important.
Yes.
Because you do not want to continue if they're not getting what's needed.
Right.
And you also quickly realized that using manipulatives to offer concrete learning experience is what she was going to need first before you could move on to that abstract skill. So a weakness of this lesson, or something that you might want to work on thinking of moving ahead, would be just determine the functioning level before the lessons. And it's been my experience is this just comes with experience. As you're looking at data of students or looking in records before you really have a chance to work with that child, it's really a lot of trial and error, so that's okay.
Yeah.
But looking at the data and becoming comfortable with that, so I really feel like this will come with more experience of looking at that information and then meeting the child.
Okay.
And then transitioning into lesson 2, so where you went and worked with the basic subtraction, I could definitely tell she felt more comfortable and confident with this skill. And that could be where you already had a better understanding of where she was at, so you could meet her where she was at the beginning. She could recognize her numbers 1 through 10, and you were able to get some of those basic subtraction things going with that. One thing to work on with this, and probably a lot of the students you would encounter, is that language development. Even in that secondary level, is just really looking at what's causing some of those roadblocks, and a lot of times it is that language deficit. So maybe offering them some pictures or using that pictorial part to really make that connection with the language and what's going on in math. So just really looking at some good strategies for language and vocabulary development to help in the math skills.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right.